Has Mary Jane been a little too frequent of a guest at your business? Struggling to find a product that can send that stubborn scent packing? Well, stick around, because we've got a potential solution. For years, facilities have eliminated smoke odors with state's Kontrol Odor Eliminator. Now, you can also say goodbye to lingering marijuana odors with Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator. Featuring specially formulated odor eliminating technology designed specifically to combat marijuana odors, this solution allows your space to stay fresh and inviting, no matter how hazy things might have gotten. This innovative formula doesn't just mask the smell, it eliminates it entirely from fabrics, furniture, and other surfaces that often hold on to odors. Whether you're battling the aftermath of a herbal session or just looking to keep your environment welcoming, Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator is here to be your go-to solution. And yes, it's a match for even the toughest, skunkiest challenges. Who is Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator a good fit for? This product is ideal for spaces like apartments, condos, colleges, car rental centers that have spaces where you'd rather smell flowers than funny business. It's here to clear the air, literally, so no one has to wonder if someone's been cultivating good times inside your property. Who is Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator not a good fit for? Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator is designed for powerful odor elimination, but works best in well-ventilated spaces and on compatible, porous surfaces. For those with sensitivities to fragrances or chemicals, we recommend checking suitability to ensure the freshest experience for everyone. How do I buy Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator? For more information on this powerful odor eliminator, visit our website at www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get into contact with a trained state representative who will answer your questions, ensuring you get the quality care that you need for your work environment.